All right, well, hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at a problem I have in my backyard. There's here in northeast U.S. in Maryland, we have a new invasive bug called a spotted lanternfly, and I'll show what that looks like. And to combat this, one of the non-toxic friendly ways to combat them is to make a DIY home spray for this insect. And what it consists of is basically some dishwashing liquid and distilled white vinegar, and you use this in a 50-50 ratio. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just taking an old spray bottle that we had. This is actually something my wife had that she uses for the shower, and again, it's a 50-50 ratio, and what I'm doing is I'm taking an old bottle cap here and use it as a funnel. And I'm going to fill this about halfway up with distilled white vinegar. I'm spilling a little bit of it, but it's okay. And this cap back on. And the reason I used the white vinegar first, because I wanted to minimize the suds that are going in here. And this actually has a little funnel built into it. And let's see, it's down about here, so I think I'm going to go up to about here with the dishwashing liquid. And from what I understand, that this Dawn dishwashing liquid, what it does, it acts as what they call a surfactant, which basically, once it gets on the insect, will cover their bodies with this soapy film, which prevents them from breathing properly and is what causes them to ceasing to exist. A little cruel, I know, but that's what it does. Alright, so I'm just going to give that a little bit of mix action here. Okay. And now we'll go down into the woods and see our spotted lanternfly friends.
Moments later.
Anytime you go in the woods, it's always nice to see a friendly face when you go in. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm looking at our trees, and I'm going to cut to this other scene where I showed a whole bunch of these lanternflies on a tree. I mean, I'm seeing them on there today, but to give you an idea of just how bad they were, let me show you this clip here. So these guys here are what they call spotted lanternflies. You can see it's just loaded with these guys. Okay, there's a few here. Okay. So these guys are, they started appearing here in the U.S. about 3 years ago. This is 2024, so right around 2020, a little after that. And what they do is they kind of, destroy trees by tapping into the sap.
By sheer coincidence.
Well, hey everybody, on these spotted lanternflies, my neighbor, Mr. Elizar, is having a problem with his grapevine. Getting infested with them. And I've seen on the internet that they also like grape leaves and such. So this is his grape arbor and vine that's running, and I've given him some of the mix that I've made up. This is 50% Dawn dishwashing liquid and 50% white vinegar. And what are you going after today? I see you have a lantern over there. It's not really spotted. That's not what you want. You want a spotted lanternfly, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and hit him.
Oh.
So,
It's on your thing.
get him off. Okay. All right, so just taking a close look here. He's got them everywhere. I see one here, another one here. And where do you see a bunch of them, Elizar? Oh my gosh, there you got a whole nest. Let's go ahead and hit them. See? Okay, and they're just flying everywhere, and when you hit them, they go down in the ground. Oh yeah, hold on, let me get some video close-up of them. Okay, yeah, they're all through the grapes, and they seem like they don't like the sun too much. All right, go ahead and hit them, Elizar.
This is the spray that I need, Joe.
Yeah, this is the
Look
same
at
spray
that,
we
Joe.
made this morning. Yeah, you've already been through here once this morning.
Yeah, look at that.
Hold on. Oh yeah, they're all through here.
Yeah, they're hiding. See that? There's a lot. Especially this morning, it was.
Okay, let me come over here.
It was all over during this morning, Joe.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, they're all through here.
Yeah.
Go ahead, hit them, man. Yeah, you got a bunch over here too. Right up through here. Okay. And they definitely don't like it because they are flying around.
The good thing about this, Joe, it's
Safe and non-toxic.
safe and non-toxic.
Yeah, because you got your garden here. What do you have here growing?
That's collard greens.
Colored green, so they don't seem to bother that. What about the next one over?
Oh, because I already sprayed that.
Oh, you already sprayed them. So they were on there this morning?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is cabbage.
That's cabbage. So they
That's-
must like cabbage, grapes. What else do you have on the menu for them?
No, that and they were eating this one here.
Which
But,
is?
The what we call this? Oh, the
That's
Swiss
not
chard.
Swiss chard.
But because of this thing, they
Uh-huh.
get stuck here.
Oh, they get stuck on the fence. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can do some more damage to them. See, oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch up there.
Oh my,
Let me get close. Hold on.
oh my God.
All right, it's like you say, they kind of like the shade.
This is,
Oh man, here, look, step back here. Look up there where I'm looking at
Oh,
the camera.
gee.
There's a bunch of them right there. You might have to repump the sprayer to get that. Yeah, there's one in the sun there. Yep, there's one that just dropped at your feet, man.
Yep. Did probably. That's already did.
Now he's gonna die in a couple minutes. Yeah, they're definitely in distress. I mean, they are beautiful looking, but very destructive.
Yep. They eat all the grapes.
Moments later.
Oh,
This morning, Joe.
look at this, man.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them right here, 4 of them.
Yeah. See, this morning, Joe, there were a lot. But see, the sprayer I had was not so effective.
Mm-hmm. They like you.
No.
Or-
This is the sprayer that we need. This is to penetrate.
Yeah, it'll really get them. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully that will help somebody be inspired to use something that you can make at home that's safe, relatively cheap, and great for your gardens and house and property and all.
Look at that, Joe.
All right. Thanks for watching.
I've been using that too.